Hi students, welcome back the second session of our science class. This session deals with the cell, the basis of life. Hope you studied microorganisms and draw the diagrams in notebook. Today we are going to study about cells, the tiny units of body. The body is made up of small units. These small units of the body are called cells. There are organisms with one cell and more than one cell. Here is a flow chart. Organisms are classified into two types. One is unicellular organisms. Organisms that only have a single cell, that is unicellular organism. Examples: amoeba, bacteria, pyramids. Second one is multicellular organisms. Organism consisting of many cells. Okay, examples are plants, animals and all living organisms except microorganisms. Got it? All of you want to draw this flowchart in your notebook. Here you could see a boy is doubted. In your textbook, page number 10, you could see a boy is doubted. Is his body is grow when his cell grows up? Do you ever think so? Do you ever doubted so? Note down here, guess. Let us observe the cheek cells of two persons of different groups to find this. Materials we required are microscope, slide, pure water, methylene blue stain, 2 new toothbrushes and a cover glass. Methods for collecting cheek cells. Wash the mouth thoroughly with water scrap. The internal surface of the cheek scrap in the drop of water on the slide. Spread this and add a drop of stain cover with a cover glass and observe the slide through the microscope. We can understand it is different in its size. Then, obviously there is a doubt. How does the body grow without bringing about any change in the size of cells? Dear students, here in your textbook, page 11, you can see workers are engaged in construction work of a house. Do we use big bricks for making big house and small bricks for small house? No. Now it is clear that it is not the size of the cell but the number of the cell is increasing when the size of the body of an organism grow up. Thousands of cells are there in an ant's body. If so, how large would be the number of cells in an elephant's body? Different types of cells. Let us study different types of cells. So we have studied different types of cells are there. When the numbers of cells are increasing, the size changes. Got it? Different types of cells. There are different types of cells in human body. Here is diagrams of muscle cell and neuron. Now we can see what is inside the cell. There are certain common components in all cells. Examine the figure of the animal cell and note down the parts of the cell in your notebook. What are the parts? Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, etc. are the common parts of a cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is the center of the cell. Cell membrane is the covering of the cell. Nucleus is the center of the cell. Cell membrane is the covering of the cell. Cytoplasm, the matrix filled inside the cell membrane. First one, nucleus is the center of the cell. Second one, cell membrane is the covering of the cell. Third one, cytoplasm, the matrix filled inside the cell membrane. So, all students, are you understand everything? Okay. Draw the figures of white blood cell and cheek cell in your science notebook. Don't forget to label the parts you studied. Okay. Thank you all. Meet again in next class.